Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's trade recap. I went break even today on a very, very nice trade. Price action fucking sucks. So, coming into today, I was actually bearish. And I was completely fucking wrong. Because we were respecting this 4-hour gap and we had a nice SMT right here. We were really, really nicely respecting it. And then at open, we just pumped. No true setup. The only setup I really faded before my setup was this 5-minute where we respected it on ES over here. As you can see, got an SMT and then got along to a new high. Little too close to news for my liking and just kind of too scalpy. So this trade that I just took was a very, very good trade, A+ trade, and I'm very happy about it. Price action just couldn't deliver. As soon as we got in, it was chop of fucking doom here. So what happens? At 10 a.m. we had red folder news, PMI. And it was a pretty valid candle, as you can see. We did about 45 points on it. So what happened? Right at that 10 a.m., we opened up this 15-minute, and we manipulated into it with that move. So once we manipulated into it, we also swept out data lows and left data highs above, as well as this LRLR with this high right here. We also made an internal SMT because ES bled hella and took out the 930 open low. So we have a 930 open low SMT, a 15-minute respect. We're following bias because we inverse this 4-hour at 10 a.m., so we're super bullish now. And data highs above, 30-second inverse, and we're respecting bullish PD arrays with this 30-second respect. Beautiful fucking trade. I got in pretty prematurely because I was so confident. Then I ended up getting break even because my M&Q sold and told me that this was the data high when it hadn't been hit yet on fucking NQ, which is so dumb. So then I got in off a re-respect of the 30-second, so my fill was about the same anyway. Went for that new high, put stop below the fair value gap we inversed. We go break even at the data highs, as you could see. We entered right here. We hit the data high, which is probably more like over here. And then we just immediately reacted off of it. And there's the break even. So, pretty good trade. I'm very, very happy with my analysis, with the patience. We went until 10 a.m. through this whole bull run. Not trying to catch any dumb continuations. Internal SMT, bias filled, respecting bullish, great target above. If you go to the checklist, rejection out of a higher time frame PD array, yes, 15-minute. It was also a 10 a.m. AMD model. As you can see, accumulate, manipulate to the downside, and then distribute. But the distribution was fucking horrible. Very, very fire plated at data high. It sucks that we couldn't get a gap like lower, like here, that I would have been able to take and catch, you know, this move instead. But it's all right. Internal SMT, yes. External SMT. We had an SMT with pre-market lows, so not really, but kind of an external. IFEG, and then targeting some great external liquidity with data highs. Very, very good setup, A to A+ range. But today's PA is pretty shit, honestly. It's been pretty wicky even before 10 a.m. news. Very, very bad once we entered the trade, and I'm good with getting out with a break-even day. So, yeah, P&L for the day, basically break-even, as you can see. And, yeah, that's about it. All right, catch you guys.